What's up, dudes? Welcome back to the channel. It's Leroy with Happy Trailers. I'm over here at our Waco store today, and you see I've got a bunch of red trailers here behind me. This is our trailer rental fleet. We have trailer rentals here at the Waco store. We have them at quite a few of our stores across Texas and Oklahoma. So if you are not able to buy a trailer because of storage space or whatever it may be, or if you just need a trailer for a little bit to do a move or whatever it might be, we have trailer solutions for you with our rental fleet. So let's check out this row of trailers. I'll just talk a little bit about what they are, what they can do, and how much you can rent them for. All right, let me start with probably one of our most popular rental trailers. This is obviously a utility trailer. It's 83 inches wide and 16 foot long. Tandem axle utility from PJ Trailers. It's got a 2-inch ball coupler here in the front, your 7-way harness here. It's got the flip up jack, really easy to hook up and use. It has the removable side rails that PJ has, so it's pretty versatile. Got your spare tire over there if you ever need it. It's on 3,500 pound axles, so you have a payload on this trailer of about 5,000 pounds. You've got the 3-foot gate here in the back. It's got a little dovetail back here. Let me bring down this gate. Super easy load angle. The gate is spring assist, so it's very easy to pick it back up. Like I say, one of our most popular rental trailers, just because everybody needs a utility trailer, right? You can use this if you need to do a short move across town or whatever. Load it up with the lawnmower for the day, take a load of stuff to the dump, whatever it might be. This thing is definitely ready to do it. So this thing rents out for only $60 a day. It's based on a 24-hour basis, so it's not like you gotta pick it up today and drop it off same day as well. Just on a 24-hour basis, very easy. There's also weekly rental options, so if you need it for an extended period, you can do that. 60 bucks a day for the little 16-foot utility trailer. All right, up next, we've got a dump trailer available for rent as well. This is also from PJ. This is part of their Voyager series on the dumps. Absolutely love this trailer. It's so versatile, it's so capable, it can do a lot of stuff. So you've got an adjustable 2 5/16 bumper pull coupler on the dump trailer. You've got the 12,000 pound jack. Let me open up this toolbox real quick. Plenty of storage space here inside the toolbox. You got your hydraulics over here. You got a charger. This is your remote for the hydraulics. Really easy to use, up and down. You have a gravity down button here as well. This thing is 14 foot long, 83 inches wide, and this one has the 2 foot tall sides. You got the board brackets here too, so you can bump into it with your skid steer and it's gonna be okay. You're just messing up the wood, no big deal. You got your armbar style tarp, so it just comes up and down that easy to cover up your load. It's on 7,000 pound axles. You've got ramps here in the back, so if you need to load up a skid steer or a tractor or whatever it might be, you can do that. It's got the 3-way gate, so it opens barn door style. And it's also hinged up here at the top with a lever right here, so you can spread loads of gravel if you need to. So for you construction guys that just need a trailer for the job, this one is for you. This trailer rents out at $100 a day. And once again, weekly rental options too. So if you need it for an extended period, you've got a weekly discount available for it too. 100 bucks a day, guys. Next in the row, we've got 2 big enclosed trailers sitting side by side. We carry these at all locations as well that have rentals available. We've got a 7x16 trailer and then a big 8.5x20 enclosed trailer. So for you guys that need to haul things enclosed inside, where you can't have them outside in the weather, this is absolutely the option. Let's check these out. All right, let's start with the smaller of the two. This is gonna be the 7x16 enclosed trailer rental. It's got the adjustable 2 5/16 coupler up in the front. It is a V-nose, so you get 16 foot of space to the front of where the V starts. So you get a little bit of bonus space here with that V-nose too. Let's check it out from the inside. And before I forget to talk about it, you're sitting on 5,200 pound axles with brakes on both axles here on this 7x16 enclosed trailer. Plenty of payload. Here it is on the inside. You got a fully finished plywood interior. I can almost stretch out my arm this way. It's got a 7 foot tall interior height, so plenty of space in here that way. Here's the door from the back. It's got the ramp door, of course, and it is cable assist. You got a little flap as well to make loading easier. So as you can see, lots of space inside this trailer for you with a 7-foot tall interior. And like I was showing you from outside, 16 foot up to right here where my foot is. So you get a little bit of bonus space in here with that V-nose as well. All right, let's check out the 20-footer here beside me now. I'll walk around it from the back. So you've got the fenders inside the trailer. They're flush here on the outside because it's 8.5 foot wide and 20 foot long. This one's on 7,000 pound axles. Lots of payload on this trailer. Ramp door in the back once again. And as always, you've got a side door here on the passenger side. Let's check this one out. All right, as a 20-foot long trailer and 8.5 foot wide, this thing has the option to haul a car inside. It's wide enough you can fit a whole car inside here in between these fenders. It's got the little beaver tail here in the back. It's got the D-rings front and back so that you can tie down your vehicle if you need to. You can see it's got some tire tracks in it. That has happened here a few times already. Now this one has got a full 7-foot interior height as well. Yeah, plenty of height, so that's super nice. This one is a V-nose once again too. So a little bonus space up there. This one has a little step down here. Both of these trailers have the cargo light inside as well. Those will turn on once you're plugged into a vehicle. So there it is. You got the inside of your enclosed trailers with the big 20-footer here, and then a 7x16 option as well. Keeps everything nice and secure. You can lock it up if you need to. So for your bigger moving projects, or if you need to haul a car and need to haul it inside, you can do that with these. As far as price goes, on the 7x16, you've got a daily price of $100. And once again, weekly rental discount if you need to do that. On the 20-footer, it rents out for $120 a day and also a weekly discount. So if you need to do anything with an enclosed trailer, come and grab one of these. They are more than capable. Coming up next, we've got the equipment trailer. This is the EV model, the Voyager series from PJ. Once again, a very capable trailer. I absolutely love this one. It's got a huge toolbox here in the front. Spare tires hiding in the toolbox, it's that big. And a lot of extra storage space here as well. So, tons of storage options there. You once again have the adjustable 2 5/16 coupler on this one. This thing is 20 foot long. It's got all the tie down options. You've got a full rub rail with stake pockets. It's on 7,000 pound axles. It's got the new poly fenders available on this model from PJ. It's got little steps on the front, back, and middle. So lots of ways to step up on this trailer. And these are like bulletproof fenders. Absolutely love them. In the back here, you've got the dovetail with the monster ramps. So you've got full width ramp option here. You know, you can load up anything as far as equipment is concerned on this trailer. 20 foot long and 83 inches wide in between the fenders. For you construction guys that need to haul your skid steer from one job to another, or if you're picking up a new piece of equipment and you need to haul it home, this would be the trailer for the job. You've got D-ring tie downs, you've got stake pocket tie downs. The options are endless here. This thing rents out at $90 a day, and if you need it for a week, once again, we'll throw you a discount if you need it for a whole week. Here, next in line is one of the more popular trailers once again. This is gonna be the PJ B5 model. As you can see, it is the full width, 102 inches wide. It's got those drive over fenders. This one's our most popular car hauler. If you broke down and need to get your ride home, if you're picking up your buddy, whatever it might be, that seems to happen often. So that is exactly what this trailer is meant to do and what it is used for all the time. It's your perfect car hauler rental. Got a toolbox here in the front. We even provide some straps. And you see the battery is here. That battery is for this winch. So once again, if you got to do something and load up a car that no longer works and you need to get off the side of the road, this is the way to do it. You can load it up you can load it with the winch if it's not operational. So you've got tie downs all over the place again with the D-rings. You've got the full rub rail with the stake pockets. This one's on 5,200 pound axles. So you've got a payload on this trailer of around 7,000 pounds. You got the dovetail in the back. You got ramps that slide right out the back right here, and stabilizer jacks too. So as you're loading up something heavy, it'll support that weight very easily. So for all of you car hauler guys, this is definitely the trailer for you. This one rents out at $90 a day, and you've got weekly options as well. If you need it for a longer period, we'll shoot you a discount for it. All right, last on this row for today, this is a 30-foot gooseneck flatbed, once again from PJ. This is considered a 25+5, so you got 5 foot of dovetail in the back with the flip over monster ramps. So once again, full width, you can load up any kind of equipment on these things. They are very capable ramps. Locked in right here, no noise, they're great. This is the LS model, so it's sitting on 7,000 pound axles with 14 ply tires. You got the full 102-inch deck width, of course. You've got the rub rail with the pipe spools and the stake pockets, so you've got tie down options everywhere you go. Of course, this is going to be a gooseneck coupler. Your spare tire is mounted up here in the neck, and you've got a full width toolbox. Lots of storage space. So for you construction guys or you farmers, whatever it may be, this obviously has the options for loading up so many things with a payload of around 10,000 pounds. So this is available for rent with a daily rate of $120 and weekly discounts, of course, if you need it for longer than a day. All right, well, that was just a quick rundown of the rental fleet that we have. Like I say, I'm right here in our Waco store right now, and you'll see these same rental trailers across our stores. So if you have any questions, or if there's anything specific that you need to do and you're wondering, which trailer might be the right rental for you, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think. This is also a great way to try out one of these trailers before you make the big decision to purchase one, right? So, if you're on the fence about what size you might need, give it a trial run and try one of these trailers, take it home, actually load up your stuff with it, whatever you might need to do. If it works, come and buy one. So many options on these rental trailers. I hope this helped. Once again, let me know if I missed something. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you for the next one.